What's up, y'all? My name is Brandon. Welcome back to Unbroken Studios. And today, what we're going to be doing is we'll be making a custom typeface. It's sort of like this graffiti Y2K kind of angular typeface. And I know Y2K is like out of style now. It's like dead, all that. But I kind of got this idea. I was scrolling on social media, specifically TikTok, and I seen this designer do like this band angular type of logo, and I thought that was cool. I didn't copy it, of course, but I took the angularness of the letters into account for my design. So what I did is I went and I drew it out on pen and paper, and then I took a picture of it, I airdropped it to my computer, threw it on Illustrator, and then I traced it out with the pen tool. Nothing too crazy, nothing too extravagant. I did that. And then I filled it with black. What you want to do is you can like ungroup it, so like you have each individual letter, and you can go ahead and like change the placement in Illustrator. You know what I'm saying? I did the design a couple days ago, so I already did it. I'm just like showing y'all how to do it again for the video. But yeah. So then I changed the color to yellow. I'm going for like this real graffiti Y2K look. Like, that's what I'm going for. So then you can just go ahead, adjust everything you need to. Then what you want to do is you want to offset the path. You want to make a white stroke and then offset the path. So then you can get rid of the white. So I'll leave like this transparent gap in the middle of each letter. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that out. Let me know if there's a faster way to do that, because I just always offset the path and then get rid of the white with the shape builder tool. I don't know if there's a faster way to do that, but as you see, it's gonna take a long time, so I'm gonna go ahead and speed it up. All right, boom. Now it's done. We got everything cut out. I missed this one little piece right here. Let me get that. All right, boom. Now, before you move anything like I did, you want to group everything together with the Pathfinder tool, and you want to merge it. So now every block that you see, every piece that you see is its own individual shape. You want to group it together, and then you want to offset the path again, but this time you want to make it, let's say 15 pixels, and then make sure you choose miter, not round, not bevel, miter. This is going to help sell that like graffiti drop shadow look effect to the typeface. So I chose like this brown color just so I can get like a nice contrast between the two. I'm gonna change it later so I can see. Now you want to slightly like offset the drop shadow, so it's like a proper drop shadow, so it looks like it's a right drop shadow. And you can go in and fix it. I'm like a perfectionist. I kind of do that a little too much, but that's what makes good designers, is attention to detail. So you can go in and select the points and like drag it out just to complete the effect. I think this effect is really cool. It's like it reminds me of Gucci Maze and like Jet Set Radio type of look, like that Y2K look. Oh yeah, if you have any imperfections, you can go ahead and change that with the pencil tool and then smooth it out with the smooth tool. But yeah, it gives me like this Jet Set Radio, Gucci Maze kind of Y2K graffiti look. And I really like that kind of design. That's what really got me into design at first. It's like that Y2K look. Of course, that was like real popular. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add a stroke to the top layer. I'm gonna make it like this hot pink peach kind of color. And really, I'm gonna change it to the backdrop, to the drop shadow. I'm gonna change the drop shadow to a hot pink, and then I'm gonna add a stroke to the top layer, and it's gonna be like a dark black color. Then what you want to do is you want to add a stroke to the drop shadow layer, so it really sells this like Y2K graffiti. I don't know what the word is. It's like real angular type look. So, and that's pretty much the typeface done. It's nothing too crazy, nothing too extravagant. You just draw it on pen and paper, and then put it on Illustrator, and it'll customize it from there. So don't go asking what this font is, because I drew it, pen and paper. So then what we're gonna do is we're gonna throw it on a shirt. So I got this mock-up pack, link in the description if you want it. It's available. So I got crop tops, jeans, jorts, sweats, hoodies, all that, jerseys. So if you want any of that, hats, beanies, so go ahead, links in the description. So I'm gonna get a long sleeve tee, and what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to like make it make like this soul pattern kind of long sleeve, but I make it like real simple, but match the typeface like with its angularity. That's a word, right? Angularity. Yeah, so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna get the curvature tool, and I'm gonna kind of like curve the sides of this triangle. It's gonna look weird now, but just stick with me, trust the process. So I'm gonna change the form of it. I'm gonna get rid of the stroke. I'm gonna place it just right about here. That's a good look. Then I'm gonna get the pen tool, and I'm gonna connect the end of the triangle to the end of the sleeve, fill in the rest, and then from the bottom of the T to the bottom of the triangle. And then what I always do is I always group and make a copy and put it off to the side of the artboard. I don't know if y'all do that too, but that's what I do too. Just in case I mess up. But I'm gonna go ahead and smooth the top shape, and you can see it's like this angular kind of form. What you want to do with garments is you want to copy the line work layer, because it's going to like sort of effect of it being a soul pattern. So like it's like a sandwich. So like you're gonna have the garment, which is the long sleeve. Then you can have the soul pattern shape, which is that yellow shape, and then you're gonna have the line work layer on top, which is like I don't know, it just makes it look more professional. I sound like I don't know what I'm talking about, but I promise you it's gonna work out. It's gonna look good. I'm gonna change the garment color to like a off-white kind of look, kind of like that. Change it to red. Then what you want to do is you want to reflect and bring it to the other side. Then you're gonna go and you're gonna add your typeface. Just resize it to where you want it. Not looking too bad, not looking too bad. So yeah, that's pretty much how you would do that. You would make a typeface, and then you would throw it on a long sleeve tee or something like that. Make it like a cut and sew piece, and then sell it from there. And it's not too bad. Something to really showcase the typeface, really. That's what I'll say. But that's the end of the video. I appreciate y'all for watching. Comment down below what y'all want to see next. And I know it's been a while. I'm in school, but I'm about to graduate here soon, so I'm gonna be pumping out more videos. Y'all can be seeing me a lot more. So yeah, with that being said, I appreciate y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all the next one. Peace.